Hi, Emily.
Hi, Mike. It's nice to see you again.
It's nice to see you too. How are you today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing well too. Thanks.
Mike, can I ask you something?
Of course, Emily. Go ahead.
I'd like to know about your work routine.
Sure. I'd be happy to tell you.
What time do you usually start work?
I usually start work at 9 o'clock every morning.
I see. And what time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
So you work from 9 to 5.
That's right. I work Monday through Friday.
Do you get a lunch break?
Yes, I do. I get 1 hour for lunch.
That's nice. What do you usually do during your lunch break?
I usually eat a sandwich. Then I check my phone for a few minutes.
Do you eat alone or with your co-workers?
Sometimes I eat alone. Sometimes I eat with my co-workers.
That sounds nice. Do you work from home or from the office?
Right now, I go to the office 3 days a week. The other days, I work from home.
Do you like that schedule?
Yes, I really do. It gives me a good balance between work and my personal life.
That's wonderful, Mike. I think it's a great routine.
Thank you, Emily. I'm happy with my job.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thanks for asking, Emily.
You're welcome, Mike. Have a great day.
You too, Emily. See you later.
See you, Mike.
Useful expressions. Can I ask you something? I'd be happy to tell you. That's right. That sounds nice. I'm happy with my job. I'm glad to hear that. Practice questions. Now it's your turn. Number 1. What time do you start work? Sample answer. I start work at 8:30 a.m. Number 2. Do you get a lunch break? Sample answer. Yes, I do. I get 1 hour for lunch. Number 3. Do you work from home or from the office? Sample answer. I work from the office. Number 4. Do you like your work schedule? Why? Sample answer. Yes, I do. It gives me time for my family. Repeat after me. Listen, then repeat. Number 1. I start work at 9 o'clock every morning. Number 2. I work from Monday through Friday. Number 3. I have a 1 hour lunch break. Number 4. I sometimes eat lunch with my co-workers. Number 5. I work from home 2 days a week. Number 6. I enjoy my work routine. Mini challenge. Answer this question. In English, what is your work or school routine? Write your answer in the comments. See you in the next lesson.